I'm back with another Stitch Fix unboxing. I did just open the package, but I have not looked at it yet. And today we're gonna unbox it together. And then I'm also gonna do something a little bit different. I also ordered 3 Freestyle items too. So I'll show you those in a try on as well. So let's go ahead and get started with this Stitch Fix unboxing. So Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service, and you can pick how often you want to receive a fix. There is a $20 styling fee, but that is put toward anything that you do purchase from the box. And then I am going to also put a referral link in the description box for you guys. So if you want to check out Stitch Fix yourself, that will give you $25 toward your first purchase. And I do want to thank you for any of your support. So if you do click that referral link, that'll give you $25. Also give me $25 as well. And I do want to thank Aaron for signing up for Stitch Fix. If you're watching this and you've received your box already, comment down below what you thought about it and if you liked the things that you got. So you do have your package that is pre-labeled for you to send anything back you don't want. Also comes with a little card that will show you some ways to style your items with a note from your stylist. And then it also comes with a pricing sheet for you as well. And this is fix number 52. So let's see what's inside. So here it is. Oh, a beautiful blue color, some green. I'm loving these colors, you guys. Okay, first thing is from Daniel Rain. It is the Adobe split neck top in coral size medium. I love all this detail that's at the top of this, and I love Daniel Rain. Some of my favorite things have come from Stitch Fix from Daniel Rain. Ooh, this blue color is so pretty, you guys. So this is from Fortune and Ivy, Danny mixed material blouse in blue size medium. So pretty, you guys. So it's got this little tie detail in the back, and then you can see all of this little detail, this diamond quilting throughout. Oh, this color, guys, is so gorgeous. And then next up, oh, this is soft, you guys. V-neck pleat back short sleeve top in blue size medium. I've gotten several things in this brand and I still don't know how to pronounce it. This is soft, you guys, and I love this look, really pretty. And then something in this beautiful green, some shorts from Tribal, the Devon pull-on short in dark green size medium. Looks like a really good length on here. This has like that gauze material, so let's see how these are gonna fit. And then something from Democracy, another pair of shorts. It is the Rosaline Absolution High Rise Angled Cargo Pocket Shorts in navy size 8. So we'll see the length on these. I love Democracy because I like that Absolution technology they have. So let me show you the Freestyle items that I got and then I'll try it all on together. So the first thing that I picked up was this jumpsuit. It is from Market and Spruce. It's the Jada smocked back jumpsuit in blue size medium. So let's see how this is going to fit. I haven't tried these on yet. I just got them, but this material feels really nice. It's kind of, again, like that crinkle gauze material. And then I had to pick this romper up. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive. It's the non-Britain Shelby knit romper in navy. I picked this up in a large because a lot of times with rompers, I do try to get it in a large to get a little bit more length because sometimes those rompers are too short for me. And then the next thing that I picked up was another jumpsuit. It's from Beacon Apparel, the Amara knit jumpsuit in teal green, size medium. So nice wide legs. Let's see if these are cropped or not. All right, so here is the first jumpsuit, and I was looking for some pockets and they don't have them. Nice wide leg, and they're not cropped. They're right at the ankle for me. I'm wearing them with flats, and I think I like this, you guys. What do you think? So this is my normal size. It does have this drawstring, but it's a faux drawstring, so it's not gonna help with the cinching. But it seems like there's lots of room. I like that it is bra friendly, the nice V-neck. I like this pattern, you guys. So what do you think about this jumpsuit? So here's the romper. I don't know, what do you think, you guys? Should I have sized up to a large in this? I love that it's got lots of room in the legs, and they are a really good length, not too short. A nice V-neck. I don't know if it's a little bit too low, but it's got this smocking detail here at the waist. So that's really nice. I'm wondering with this smocking detail if maybe I didn't need to size up to a large. Maybe I could have stayed to a medium. And then here's the next jumpsuit from the Freestyle. And I don't know if I mentioned or not, but the Freestyle is something that you can just go ahead and buy straight from Stitch Fix without having to get anything in your box. But you don't get that 25% discount if you get all the items in a box. So these are gonna be regular price. But gosh, I love this, you guys. Look at this subtle print. It's so pretty, and it's got this sweetheart neckline with the spaghetti straps. But this is bra friendly because I do have a bra on. It's got smocking in the back, so you've got lots of room up in the bust, whether you're like small chested or larger chested. And then it's got this little seaming right here. Pockets, you guys. But the thing I don't know about is I think it's a little bit too short in the torso, so I'm wondering if I size it to a large, if that might help a little bit. But the length is good. The color's so pretty, you guys. Okay, so here's gonna be the first look from the box. And I had first put these shorts on with a white top, but then I read the note and she suggested putting this top with it. But let's talk about these shorts first. So I love the vibrant green color, and they're kind of like a high rise. Like my belly button is like down here. They've got a nice smocking here with a drawstring, and I like the length of them. They're not too long, they're not too short. They do have these pockets. There's no back pockets in them, and they're made out of a really good lightweight material, like that gauze material. But I don't know, what do you think, guys? I like the vibrant color, but am I gonna reach for these a lot? I'm not really sure. This top is a top from Daniel Rain. It's got all this really pretty detail here at the top. I do like this detail, and this is a good length on the top, that it's not one that you have to worry about, do you wanna tuck it without looking frumpy? But you can just let it hang and it looks nice. It's got some really good like wide sleeves, almost like a flutter sleeve. So the top is from Daniel Rain. It's $59. And then these shorts are from Tribal and they are $46. Okay, so now what do we think about this outfit? So this top does feel really nice. It looks a little bit different on than I thought it would be. I had front tucked it, but let me just kind of show you what it looks at. It's got a circle hem. And then I've got the Democracy shorts on. They're in this really pretty navy color. I love the cargo look to them. And then of course I love the Absolution waist technology. The length is a good length. They seem to be a little bit tight on my thighs though. I'm not really sure. So the shorts are from Democracy and they are $68. And the top is $44. So I went ahead and just kept the same shorts on and changed out the last top in this really pretty blue color. So the front of it has this diamond quilting look to it. The back of it does not. And the back is more of a knit material and the front's probably more like a polyester. These are raised. It's got this little keyhole here with some pleating, like a cap flutter sleeve. And then I do know that it does have a tie here in the back. So this top is from Fortune and Ivy and it's $39. So a really good price on this. So altogether, the total of this box is $256, and if I bought it all with a 25% discount, it would take $64 off, and then it would be $192. And if you guys were wondering what I kept from my last box, I sent it all back. There wasn't anything that really wowed me from that last box, so that's why I did another back-to-back box to see if this one was any better. All right, guys, that is going to be it for this Stitch Fix number 52 and a few of the Freestyle items. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.